Are you looking for the best dermaplaning tools for at home? In this video we will look at some of the best dermaplaning tools for at home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Stacked Skincare Dermaplaning Tool. If you've yet to hop on the Stacked Skincare bandwagon, allow us to introduce you to your new favorite beauty product. The brand's beloved Dermaplaning exfoliation tool is undeniably chic with the sophistication of a clinical-grade instrument. This manual razor sloughs off dead cells, upper lip hairs, and peach fuzz from your face and neck, leaving you with baby-soft skin and a supremely smooth complexion. The sturdy aluminum handle offers excellent control and can be used again and again with replacement blades. This dermaplaning tool is a favorite of board-certified dermatologist Sandy Skotnicki, MD, who appreciates that the reusable handle lessens your carbon footprint. What's more, each blade is designed to hold up for 4 uses. At number 2. Tinkle Eyebrow Razor. Tinkle razors might be cheap, but they're surprisingly effective at removing hair from your entire face. Thanks to the notably sharp stainless steel blades, you don't have to tug hard. Though they dull quickly and are more of a single-use dermaplaning tool, this 3-pack is undoubtedly a steal. And as the name suggests, you can also use them for eyebrow shaping. At number 3. Tweezerman Bright Complexion Facial Dermaplaner. When it comes to precision facial hair removal, you can count on Tweezerman. The tried-and-true brand's Bright Complexion Dermaplaner comes with 4 high-quality stainless steel blades and an ergonomic handle for comfort and control while you glide it across your face. At number 4. Versed Instant Gratification At-Home Dermaplaning Tool. If your main goal is exfoliation, Versed won't let you down. This at-home dermaplaning tool has a non-slip handle and a single-edged stainless steel blade for effective yet safe removal of the dead cells dulling your skin while allowing lotions and potions to penetrate deeper. At number 5. Healy Grooming Dermablade Trio. Check out these ultra-chic matte black razors from Healy. The Grooming Dermablade Trio includes 3 stainless steel blades, each with foldable handles for safety. They're one of the sharpest options, potentially too sharp for some, so keep that in mind if you're a beginner.